If your AI content sounds like everyone else's AI content, that's not an AI problem, that's a training problem. Hi, welcome to my channel. I'm Leah Bergen, founder of Create a Hustle AI, and I read every comment on this channel. I clone myself for a living, my voice, my writing, my videos, and the number one question I get is, how do you make AI actually sound like you and not just ChatGPT? So today I'm showing you exactly the words I ban, the phrases that give AI away every time, and the prompts I actually use to fix it. So stick around, because the last one is the one that changed everything for me. Okay, so real talk. When I first started using AI to help me write emails, captions, even parts of my courses, I was thrilled. Finally, some help. Except my audience started noticing something. My emails didn't sound like me anymore. They sounded like a LinkedIn post that went to business school. Suddenly I was unlocking potential and things were seamless, and every third sentence had a question mark like, the result? Freedom. I never talk like that, ever. And here's the thing, after I had my baby last year, AI became non-negotiable for me. I only have 2, maybe 3 hours a day, a few days a week to work, so I need AI to carry some of the load. But not if it means sounding like a corporate robot wearing my name. So I went down a rabbit hole. I studied exactly which words and phrases make writing scream, AI wrote this, and I built a system to train it out. That's what I'm giving you today. So here's something interesting I found researching this. AI writing has what's basically a comfort zone, a small pile of safe words it reaches for again and again, across every brand, every niche, every voice. That's why so much AI content feels the same. It's not that the words are wrong, it's that everyone's using the exact same ones. Here's the list that comes up over and over. Unlock, transform/transformative, leverage, elevate, seamless, robust, game changer, cutting edge, streamline, empower. If you've ever seen a caption that says something is going to transform your business and unlock your potential, that's not a person. That's the AI comfort zone talking. And it's not just words, there are whole phrases that are basically AI fingerprints. It's important to note, here's the kicker. Not X, it's Y, over and over and over. Short, punchy, fragmented sentences that try to sound deep and profound, but say nothing. The moment I see 3 of these stacked together in a paragraph, I know a human didn't finish that sentence. AI did. Here's the part that actually made this click for me. AI isn't picking these words because they're the best ones. It's picking them because they're the safest ones, the most statistically likely word for the situation, every single time. Think of it like a bell curve. Right in the middle are all the safe, high probability words. Unlock, transform, leverage. That's where AI defaults unless you tell it otherwise. So if you don't train it, you get the middle of the bell curve every time for every business, which is exactly why 2 totally different brands can end up sounding identical. Okay, here's what I actually do in 3 steps. Step 1, ask AI to expose itself. I literally prompt it with something like, what words or phrases do you commonly default to when writing about my industry? List the overused verbs, transitions, and buzzwords separately. It's honestly a little funny. You're asking the AI to snitch on itself, but it works. Now you have your specific red flag list, not just mine that I've provided, right? Step 2, give it a soft boundary, not a hard ban. I used to just say, never use these words. And honestly, the writing got weird. Let's say a bit stiff. Like it was trying too hard to be different, using words nobody actually says. So now I do it softer. Be mindful of these overused words. Vary the language so it doesn't lean on them. That gives it room to still write naturally, just not lazily. Step 3, feed it you, not instructions about you, actual you. This is the one that changed everything for me. Rules only get you so far. What actually makes AI sound like me is feeding it my real emails, my real captions, my actual voice notes where I'm rambling and imperfect and using so to start half my sentences. Because here's the truth, I don't have perfect grammar. I say things like, I am thinking to create a Notion board. That's not a typo, that's just how I talk. And if AI smooths that out into textbook English, it stops being me. So instead of saying write like a business coach, I say, here are 5 of my real emails written pre-AI. Match this tone, these sentence lengths, this level of imperfection, and don't correct my grammar. That single shift, feeding real samples instead of describing a vibe, is 80% of what makes a digital clone actually sound like you and not like a stock photo of a CEO. Before anything goes out with my name on it, I run one gut check. Would I actually send this, or does it sound like a stranger wrote it? If there's an unlock, a seamless, or a suspicious amount of not this, that, then it's getting rewritten. That's it. That's the whole system I use on an everyday basis. It's not about fighting AI, it's about training it. The same way you'd onboard a new assistant who's smart, fast, but has never actually met you yet. If this is the exact kind of thing you want built out for you, your voice trained into a system you can actually reuse, that's literally what I teach inside Clone Content Club. We build your playlist of content once using your real voice and rotate it instead of starting from scratch every single week. And if you want the shortcut version, the prompts done for you, my AI Executive Suite already have a lot of this baked in. You'll find the links below in the description to this video. Now tell me in the comments, what's the one word AI keeps using that sounds nothing like you? I bet it's unlock. It's always unlock, right? Thank you for watching till the end. My name is Leah. Don't forget to subscribe. See you in the next one.